What are the most important health issues that every cat owner know about before bringing home a sleek and talkative Oriental Shorthair? Hi, welcome back to Paw and Order. My name is Carl, and today we are looking at the common health conditions that affect this stunning and vocal breed. These sleek cats are known for their large ears, wedge-shaped faces, and talkative personalities, but they also have specific genetic predispositions to certain illnesses. Knowing what to look for can help you catch problems early and give your cat a long, healthy life. Many new owners fall in love with their striking looks, without realizing that their unique body type comes with medical vulnerabilities. In this video, I am going to break down these health topics into simple, clear steps so you can be the best possible guardian for your feline friend. The first major health concern that affects many Oriental Shorthairs is progressive retinal atrophy, commonly known as PRA, which impacts their vision. This inherited genetic disease causes the cells in the retina to slowly break down over time, eventually leading to complete blindness. Because cats are masters at adapting to vision loss, by using their sharp whiskers and hearing, you might not notice early changes. They might start hesitating slightly before jumping onto high furniture or misjudging distances during their evening play sessions across the room. While there is no cure for this specific genetic eye disease, responsible breeders test their cats before breeding to prevent it. If your cat is diagnosed, you can easily help them by keeping your furniture layout consistent and safe. Keeping their indoor environment predictable allows a blind cat to navigate your home with total confidence and happiness. Dental disease is another very common issue that can sneak up on your Oriental Shorthair if you do not maintain a routine. Because of their sleek, wedge-shaped head structure, their teeth can sometimes crowd together closely inside their mouths, trapping food particles easily. This crowding leads to a fast buildup of plaque and tartar, which causes painful gum inflammation, tooth decay, and bad breath. If left untreated, bacteria from the gums can enter the bloodstream and damage vital organs like the heart, liver, and kidneys. You can prevent this by brushing your cat's teeth regularly with pet-safe toothpaste, or using veterinary dental treats designed to scrape plaque. Routine checkups with your vet allow them to catch early signs of gingivitis before it becomes a major medical problem. Healthy teeth mean a happy, pain-free cat who can crunch their food with total joy. Respiratory infections can also be a frequent challenge for this breed, because of their sensitive airways and long, narrow nasal passages. They are slightly more vulnerable to catching viruses that cause sneezing, runny eyes, and stuffy noses during seasonal weather changes. If your cat starts wheezing or shows a lack of energy, it is important to contact your veterinarian right away for guidance. Keeping your home free from heavy dust, cigarette smoke, and strong cleaning chemical fumes will protect their delicate respiratory system. You should also ensure your cat is up to date on all their standard core vaccines to prevent dangerous airborne illnesses. A clean air environment inside your living space makes a massive difference in keeping their lungs clear and healthy all year long. Taking these simple preventive steps ensures your chatty companion can keep purring and talking without any breathing discomfort slowing them down. Heart health is another critical area that every Oriental Shorthair owner must monitor closely throughout the cat's entire life journey. This breed has a known genetic risk for developing hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, which is a condition where the heart muscle thickens abnormally. When the heart walls become too thick, the organ has to work much harder to pump blood effectively across the body. Early stages of this heart disease often show no symptoms at all, making routine veterinary checkups and heart scans very important. If the condition progresses, your cat might experience fatigue, rapid breathing, or sudden weakness after playing with their favorite toys. Working closely with your veterinarian allows you to manage this condition with proper medication, if it is diagnosed early in life. Regular monitoring gives your cat the best chance to live a comfortable, active life despite having a sensitive heart muscle. Patellar luxation is a physical condition where the kneecap slips out of its normal groove, causing temporary discomfort or limping. While it is more famous in small dogs, it can also affect slender cat breeds like the Oriental Shorthair quite frequently. You might notice your cat suddenly skipping a step, while running down the hallway or holding one hind leg up briefly. This happens because the ligaments and grooves supporting the knee joint are shallower than normal, due to inherited anatomical traits. Mild cases often require no special treatment, but severe cases might need surgical correction to restore normal movement and prevent arthritis. Keeping your cat at a lean, healthy weight reduces unnecessary pressure on their knee joints significantly during daily play. Simple adjustments like adding ramps to high perches can also protect their joints from harsh landing impacts over time. Congenital liver shunts are another serious internal issue that can affect young cats, altering how their blood flows through the body. A liver shunt is an abnormal blood vessel that allows blood to bypass the liver, preventing proper toxin filtration from the system. Symptoms often appear when the cat is still young, including poor weight gain, sluggishness, vomiting, and strange neurological behaviors after eating. Vets can diagnose this condition through blood tests and specialized imaging if owners report these unusual developmental signs early on. Surgical correction is often the best path to close the abnormal vessel and allow normal liver function to resume successfully. While it sounds scary, early detection saves lives and gives these unique cats a second chance at a vibrant future. Being observant of your kitten's growth and energy levels is the greatest tool you have to catch internal issues. Skin and coat sensitivities can occasionally pop up because of the breed's very short, fine hair and lack of heavy undercoat. Without that thick fur protection, their skin is more exposed to direct sunlight, minor household scrapes, and potential contact allergies. You might notice your cat scratching excessively, developing small scabs, or showing red, irritated patches on their sensitive belly area. Regular grooming with a soft cloth helps remove dead skin cells and distributes natural oils without causing any friction damage. If you notice seasonal allergies, talk to your veterinarian about safe ways to minimize environmental triggers inside your home environment. Providing a cozy, clean bed away from cold drafts keeps their skin warm and protected from sudden temperature drops. Healthy skin reflects overall internal wellness, making simple grooming routines a vital part of your weekly preventative healthcare schedule. Digestive sensitivities are another common puzzle that many cat owners face when feeding their sleek and active Oriental Shorthair pets. These cats can have delicate stomachs that react poorly to sudden food changes, cheap artificial ingredients, or excessive dairy products. If your cat frequently experiences soft stools, vomiting, or gas, it is time to reevaluate their daily diet and meal schedule. Transitioning to a high-protein, grain-balanced commercial food formulated for sensitive digestion can calm their stomach lining very quickly. Always introduce new foods slowly over a 10-day period by mixing small amounts with their current trusted meals. Keeping a consistent feeding routine prevents gastrointestinal distress and ensures optimal nutrient absorption for their high-energy lifestyle. A settled tummy means a happy cat who is always ready for their next meal and playtime adventure. Behavioral stress-related illnesses are uniquely tied to this breed because of their intense emotional attachment to their human family members. Oriental Shorthairs are famously demanding of attention and can suffer from severe separation anxiety if left alone for too long. When they feel lonely, bored, or stressed, they can develop stress-induced cystitis, which causes painful inflammation in the bladder. You might notice your cat urinating outside the litter box, or grooming a specific patch of fur until it is bald. Providing plenty of interactive puzzle toys, scratching posts, and even getting a companion animal can ease their anxiety greatly. Creating a predictable daily schedule gives them a sense of security and reduces the mental stress that triggers physical illness. Mental wellness is just as important as physical health for keeping these sensitive, talkative cats thriving indoors. Obesity is a silent danger that can drastically shorten your cat's lifespan by putting extra strain on their organs and joints. Because they love food and are experts at begging for extra snacks, it is easy for owners to overfeed them unintentionally. An overweight Oriental Shorthair loses its sleek, tubular profile and becomes prone to diabetes, heart disease, and severe arthritis. You should use a measuring cup for every meal, and limit high-calorie treats to less than 10% of daily intake. Regularly feeling their ribs and checking for a visible waistline helps you catch weight gain before it becomes a medical crisis. Encouraging active play with feather wands and rolling balls burns calories and keeps their athletic bodies strong and lean. Portion control is a simple, loving act that protects your cat's long-term health and mobility. Parasite prevention is a non-negotiable part of routine care, protecting your indoor cat from fleas, ticks, and intestinal worms. Even strictly indoor cats can encounter pests that hitch a ride on your shoes, clothing, or visiting pets from outside. Fleas can cause severe skin allergies and anemia, while internal worms rob your cat of essential nutrients needed for daily energy. Talk to your veterinarian about safe, monthly preventative treatments tailored specifically for your cat's weight and lifestyle needs. Routine fecal checks during yearly vet visits ensure that any hidden parasites are caught and treated immediately before causing illness. Prevention is always much easier, cheaper, and safer than treating a full-blown parasitic infection in your home environment. Keeping parasites away guarantees your cat stays comfortable, clean, and healthy throughout every season of the year. Routine veterinary wellness exams are the ultimate safety net for catching hidden health issues before they become severe medical emergencies. Cats are notorious for hiding pain and weakness until an illness has progressed to an advanced, difficult stage. Taking your Oriental Shorthair for a thorough checkup at least once a year, or twice a year for seniors is essential. During these visits, your vet can check their heart, listen to their lungs, examine their teeth, and run baseline blood work. Early detection of conditions like kidney disease or thyroid imbalances allows for immediate treatment and lifestyle adjustments that prolong life. Building a strong partnership with your veterinarian ensures your cat receives expert guidance customized to their unique genetic background. Regular checkups give you total peace of mind as a dedicated pet parent. Always remember to observe your cat closely every single day, because you know their normal habits better than anyone else. If your cat suddenly stops talking, hides away, changes their eating habits, or acts lethargic, trust your gut instincts. These subtle behavioral shifts are often the very first warning signs that something internal requires medical attention from your vet. Do not wait for symptoms to worsen hoping they will resolve on their own, as early intervention is always crucial. By staying vigilant, proactive, and loving, you create a safe environment where your cat can live a long and joyful life. You are doing an incredible job providing attentive care for your wonderful, expressive feline companion every single day. Keep learning, stay observant, and enjoy every precious moment you share together. Thank you so much for joining me here at Paw and Order to learn about common Oriental Shorthair health issues, and I hope these simple, professional steps help you keep your unique cat healthy, safe, and deeply loved for years. Please remember to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more pet tips. I am Carl from Paw and Order, and I will see you in our next video very soon. Have a wonderful day playing with your fantastic cat, and enjoy all the happy purrs coming your way.